this video are literally 15 days before the whole country entered the lockdown. I was in one of my most favorite places in Meghalaya. Its serene atmosphere, surrounded by hills, just makes it dreamy in a way. Okay, you go. It had been a rainy night and a very freezing morning. When the skies opened up for a few hours, we decided to go out for cycling. This video is about this day where we cycled our way around in this beautiful village. We were accompanied by Indy, who had quite grown up by now. I have seen him last when I visited this place in 2018.
I'm gonna ride slow because...
Yeah, of course. We were cycling in the fields and the farms under the open blue sky, and it was so beautiful.
We're going a little further?
No, you go back. Okay. You go here, right? Here. This day, I was just being the kid who used to love cycling back in my school days, carefree.
I'm going really slow. Where are you going?
Oh.
You thought I was going up?
Are you going here?
Yeah.
Seriously?
Where do you think I'm going from?
I think we will not be able to go here.
Why?
Oh, very small road.
I can do it. Can you actually climb that hill?
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You'll have to go really fast then up.
Oh, that's
Up there.
Apple.
Yeah. It's not that much.
You are going from here, right?
Nice little pirate. I'll go behind you. Come on! You can do this! Easy! You wanna go up first? If you go down here, you have to cross a river. It's a little off-road, so watch the rocks. You could slip.
Now, this is where the fun part began. We were going off-road.
Why don't you put it on your cycle? It's much better with you. Because it's shaking, going a little faster on here.
Go. Yeah. Woo! Oh man, that was good. Huh? I think it's gonna be a little problem, but I'll try.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Should we go? Where I'll go first?
You go, you go. Whoa! I did it! Woo-hoo-hoo! Got it! Got it!
My pants are wet. Are your pants wet?
No, my shoes are wet. Let's see. Shoes.
Oh, come on!
Oh man. Okay, no problem.
I just wanted to ride for fun here. You come back?
No, we go.
Oh.
Yeah.
No, man.
So where do we go from here?
Huh?
Where do we go from here?
Normally we go that way, but now we have to carry our bike
Here?
on water. Here you have to throw your bike.
Oh, okay.
But it's pretty easy actually.
Oh, that's the road from here. It's recording.
That's a motorcycle. Who's gonna go down there? Oh man, let's go. Let's go. No, seriously, you want to carry it? Can you? Yes you can. Strong man.
It's all mud around. It's got mud on the handle here.
Yeah, I know.
Hey, you take it from here.
Oh yeah, it's supposed to be.
It's easier.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's easier.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's easier. You think you want to ride here? Oh, yeah. Hey, brake. You want to ride on this?
Yeah, let's try.
Can you wait there for me?
Yeah.
Until I get both these cycles in. Ah man, it's pretty deep. How about we go from there? Up?
Yeah.
This here is really deep. It's freezing. You go first.
No,
Hold the brake. Brake.
Oh! Are you hurt?
I'm okay. Oh my god. Okay, come on. You carry the front tire, I'll carry the back tire. Come on, man!
Oh, I need to set the camera.
Huh? Oh, come on, man! I've never seen someone like obsessed in cameras that much.
Ah.
Oh, come on! You do a GoPro.
Yeah.
Slow box. Fast box.
Oh.
Jump box. Oh my finger.
It hurts? It's okay?
Yeah, it's okay. We're so near. I'm here. Start it.
What we experienced this day was a pure form of joy. Living few hours carefully just as a child would. It's interesting how we were stripped off of our comfort riding in an off-road setting. Little did we know that we would find peace in such a simple activity. Someone rightly said, happiness is a state of mind, and reliving as a child, even for these few hours, it was quite a shortcut to this happiness that we found this evening. See you in my next video.